Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Lego Typewriter. It's the Lego Ideas number 35. I'm guessing it's going to be really big based on the box. So here it says that the keys are the actual dimension of them. So that's going to be interesting. So here it shows the dimension of it. And then here it says there's a special letter from Thomas Kirk. And he's the one that created the Lego set. Here it says you could share your idea, gather support, you could write a Lego review, and you can hear about new Lego products. So now we're going to be getting into opening the box. That was pretty easy. You guys get the first look of it. What's on the inside? Now it's time to start taking out all the bags. So right here we have all the Legos and the bags taken out. So here is kind of like a big mess. So I gotta get to sorting. So here now we got all of our bags sorted out on the table so that you guys could see them. And then there's one interesting thing that I've seen that Lego never did in their past Lego sets was this. They put their instructions inside of this box, inside this cardboard box thing, so that it doesn't get damaged or anything. Never seen this in a previous Lego set, which you guys could also see of us unboxing them on our channel. So now it's time to start opening bag number one. I have taken out the instructions, but while I was taking that out, I also found this booklet with it. Never seen Lego put two things. And on the inside, it shows the signed paper by the person that created it and all the languages that you need. I'm not sure exactly how many languages there are. Oh, never mind. There are 43 different languages. So if you get this Lego set and you don't speak any English, then you can use that and find your language. So here we go into step number 1. So here we just opened page number 1. And here it's talking about how they've created this Lego set in 3 different languages. And here is the creator of it. He also has a quote that he said, "I hope this classic typewriter will bring back fond memories or make you feel like a cool 1980s reporter or bestseller author. Thomas Kirk Christian." Here's number 2. It's talking about their whole story about it. Here they've created different models of it, different colors. There's a yellow one, the green one, which I think this is the one, and then a gray one. So it has tons of information about them creating it and everything. And here on the actual page 1 of the instructions, here it shows you how to use the orange clip thing if you don't know how to use it yet. And here how it will look like from one to 4, it'll look like this. Then 5 through 8 will look like this. And then 9 through 11 will look like this. So let's get, so as I've opened it, I could see that it's going to be a lot harder than I thought in this Lego set. So yeah, wish me luck. Just finished bag number 1. There are tons of different components that we had to build. Here's how it looks. Right now, we're going on bag number 2. See ya. So we just finished bag number 2. Here's how it turned out. And I think I've messed up something here because this key isn't staying down, this keeps going up. But I've taken it apart like 5 times and can't figure it out what I did wrong. If you guys could tell what I did wrong here, tell me in the comments, alright? Thank you. So, now we're moving on to bag number 3. So we just finished bag number 3. We've placed all the keys on it. And see these keys, when they go up, they stay up. And you have to click them down. I think it'll work better maybe if we finish building it. We're about to go into bag number 4. See you then. So we have just finished bag number 4. Here's how it turned out. We first finished the keys, and now we got a space bar, and we got the border going all the way around it, the sticker right there, all the way around. Now on the back, nothing has changed, still the same. So yeah, that's how that's going. And now on to bag number 5. So we have just finished bag number 1. Here's the progress that we did. We did these edges on the sides, and this contraption, and then this side too. It's looking more like a typewriter. So we have just finished bag number 8. Here's how it turned out. We've got this right here. We got these on the sides. We got this little knob that has different colors on the actual typewriter. That's pretty much it that we did this in this bag. We didn't do anything here, we were just doing everything on the outside. So yeah, going on to number 9. See you then. So I've just started bag number 9, and I finished this, and I've started this component right here. But you see these things right here? They are not here. That's not just one of them, that's all 4, which is kind of weird. Either there's another number 9 bag missing, or it's just those. So yeah, guess I gotta find from my own Legos. So I've just found these things, 4 of them, and it says to put them here, but then I realized, why is there not the end piece? And I realized that I used these on the edges instead of these, using these. Now I am really frustrated. So now I have to fix my problem. I just finished bag number 9. This is what we built. We did not put anything on the actual typewriter yet from bag number 9. But here it is, what we've made. Also, I want you guys to learn from my mistake, from what I did, so that you guys don't make the same mistake if you get this Lego set, or if you had this Lego set and you had to look for your own. Well, I hope that helped you in this thing. So, moving on to bag number 10. Here in the instructions, it shows how this block has to go on that one. So I did that here, and I used one of these. And then I did the same here, thinking it would be the same. But then I saw that I did something here. And then I took the whole thing apart and then did it with one block. And then looked into the instructions, and it says to do it this way. So I was doing it all wrong. So I've just built this mechanism. This is not all of the bag number 10. This is just like half of it. I think this is where you put the paper, the types, and then you move it. This looks pretty cool. But we're not finished yet. Still working on it. It's looking a lot more like a typewriter though. So we just finished bag number 10. Here's how it turned out. There's just, I think, one more bag left, maybe 2. This is how it's looking out for now. We got this system working right here. When you click the buttons, this thing goes up. And here, this twirls so that the paper, then you can click it back into place, you know, where it goes. And here you can change the font color, but that doesn't actually work. Still a pretty cool feature. This is how it's looking out for now. So yeah, it's looking more like. Okay, guys. So we've just finished the rest of the typewriter. Here's how it looks. You could press the letters and this thing goes up. Except I've done something wrong so it doesn't go down. And then when you press this, like when you type, this thing moves over, then you move it back. See, when I click A, it moves a bit. So yeah. There's a paper talking about how they've created this Lego set. Here's how it looks from the sides. We're going to move on to the back. In the back there's not that much. There's supposed to be a sticker right there. I forgot to put it on. But other than that, it's a pretty cool setup. There's all these keys. They don't go up other than this one. On the real typewriter, these all would have gone up for each letter. But of course that would have been way too hard for Lego to build. But it's still cool, really cool. They created this. So I want to say thank you guys for watching this, watching me build. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and write down in the comments what Lego set next we should unbox. See you in our next video.